Hi there. In this video, we are looking at the topic, can you use an air compressor inside? Things you should know about storing and using air compressors indoor. You can also read the full in-depth blog post by going to the link below. We welcome you to Home Tools Pro. So, can you really use an air compressor inside? Air compressors are common in factories and workshops, but they are not always suitable for indoor use. There are several reasons for this, including the risk of fire and the potential for noise pollution. So, while air compressors can be used indoors in some circumstances, it is important to be aware of the risks involved. If you are considering using an air compressor indoors, make sure you consult with a professional to assess the risks and determine if it is the right choice for your needs. In the full blog post, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following subtopics. Number 1. What is the personal safety side of using an air compressor indoors? Number 2. What is the impact on an air compressor when used indoors? Number 3. Any advantages of using an air compressor indoors? Number 4. Do electric air compressors give off carbon monoxide? Number 5. What is the best recommended method for using an air compressor? Number 6. How to store an air compressor indoors. Number 7. What are the advantages of storing an air compressor indoors? So, there you go. We go into much detail in our blog post about the above topic. Just click the link below and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside.